Story, border wall battle.
The fight now heading to court. Today, 16 states filing a legal challenge to President Trump's emergency declaration to fund a border wall as opponents decry the president's action as a political ploy.
There is no national emergency. Members of Congress have said it, security experts have said it, and even Trump himself has said that there is no emergency.
Today, the president responded in a tweet saying, "As I predicted, 16 states, led mostly by open border Democrats and the radical left, have filed a lawsuit in, of course, the Ninth Circuit." You can weigh in on the debate right now at WXYZ.com.
Meantime, 7 Action News reporter Simon Shayket has more on the reason Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel is joining this fight.
Attorney General Dana Nessel is calling it a fake emergency and a publicity stunt. Now, Michigan joining more than a dozen other states in going after the president over the border wall.
I'm very concerned that this money for this manufactured emergency is going to divert funds that can be utilized for our safety and protection here in the state of Michigan.
Facing cameras in Lansing today, Attorney General Dana Nessel calling out President Trump. Nessel says she fundamentally disagrees with Trump's position that the need to build a border wall constitutes a national emergency.
I think it's an unconstitutional act by the president. I think it violates the separation of powers. This is money that has not been appropriately appropriated.
Trump has called his plans part of a national security necessity to stop the flow of crime, illegal drugs, and human trafficking. The declaration gives him the authority to bypass Congress and use money from the Pentagon and other revenue sources. For Nessel, it's about insisting the rule of law is followed, with billions of dollars at stake in the recent move.
We're in this very strange set of circumstances right now where I don't think the president of the United States cares very much about the Constitution.
Michigan also has more than 10,000 National Guard soldiers and 40 facilities that rely on federal support. Is it unconstitutional to declare a national emergency to pay for it?
Yes, absolutely. I believe that it is.
It shouldn't be a national emergency because I think that, to really be frank, we've been doing a pretty damn good job.
Nessel says this goes far beyond party politics. In fact, she says a lack of funding could negatively impact us right here in the state of Michigan. From downtown, Simon Shayket, 7 Action News.
All right, Simon, thank you. And don't forget to weigh in on what you think our big story should be tomorrow morning. Join our morning meeting live through Facebook starting at 10 a.m. and vote on which story you want us to cover.